Okay, today we're going to look at the K&N oil filter, number SO-3001. And you can get this at Walmart for $9.97. So let's get started.
This is set for, you gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration here.
Okay, let's start with the box. 20,000 mile protection, 99% efficiency, and that's at 30 microns. Turn it over here. Synthetic blend media, silicone anti-drainback valve, and nitro gasket O-ring. And it looks like a metal end cap. Now let's open her up and see what she looks like. A date code 111620Y. Product of USA. This is a sticker. It also says made in USA right here. She has 8 inlet holes. And I see a plastic inner cage. And there might be a bypass valve down below. Looks like it. Nitro rubber O-ring, which comes off very easily. And it doesn't stick out that far either here. Puts some pressure on it, it's almost flush. But it looks nice and clean. Kind of a big filter, but it's kind of light for the size. Well, you know what? Let's open this baby up and see what's inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 14.1 ounces. The base plate. Base plate weighs 6.3 ounces. And we've seen the O-ring already. This comes off real easy. But it's got a unique design here with these holes. They don't just go straight through. There's like a piece of metal inside there. See, so they kind of shoot out from the sides. A little different. It's got a nice amount of threads too. The only problem with this one is just the O-ring, but otherwise this is okay. And silicone anti-drainback valve. These are always nice to have. Yeah, these are nice. Goes on here. Cover up all them holes. Okay, the filter media. I counted 58 pleats. There's just a little bit of glue on here. Yeah, right here. That's not bad. But the pleats are nicely spaced. And this looks like an inside seam. See when I cut it open. You got the metal end caps. You know, the rest of the filter looks really clean. Got the cage in here. I'm assuming this is plastic. Plastic cage. It's very light. Let's get the weight of this filter media. 4.0 ounces exact. Yeah, so 58 pleats, and this is a synthetic blend media with a filtration of 99% at 30 microns. But it looks nice and clean. Nice and clean. Well made. Now with the can, we got the bypass valve. This is a very large bypass valve. Let's weigh this guy. That weighs 0.4 ounces. It's a biggie. It should hold up. Actually, the way this is made, it won't crunch because it's got the, well, it could crunch. If it did crunch, it'd be stuck in bypass mode all the time because this is about flush. Let's see. We can see. Actually, this is hitting, well, the center is probably lower. Let me check this out. Yeah, because you got the bulge here, but that spring, I don't know. I don't care for these leaf springs too much. They're I prefer a coil spring over these things, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's see what the can weighs. 3 ounces even. Okay, let's get the measurement on this can. .63 millimeters. 0.63 millimeters. That's pretty good. And let's see about the width here. I'm using my new calipers here, so bear with me. It's 2.926 inches wide. .281 inches wide this way, and long ways this way. 3.527 inches. You know what? Let's cut this baby open and let's see how long she is. Okay, and here she is all stretched out, and she's 85.5 inches long. A lot of filter media on this one. Here she is zoomed out. Okay, and here she is at the seam. And like I thought, it has an inside seam. Glued inside seam. And I took a little sample here so you can measure it. Get the thickness of this. .91 millimeters. It's pretty thick. 0.9, yeah. It's a good thickness to it. Not strong like this, but it tears easily. Now let's look at the rest of the filter. Look at the good and the bad. I don't care for stamped leaf springs. Metal end caps is nice. Anti-drain back valve is nice, silicone. The O-ring could be better. It could be a little thicker too. Let's measure this for the heck of it. Measure these from now on too. 4.69 millimeters. Cage, you know, you definitely get better oil flow with this. So, this is all good. The can is nice. It's a pretty thick can. The base plate's alright just for this, but I don't know. What do you guys think about this filter? Is it worth $10? Yeah, I think there's better filters out there for that price. You know, 99% at 30 microns. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. For new viewers, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.